Unity in pursuit, a key to collective success. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we aim to make English learning easy and fun for you. Today, we're diving into a very interesting and meaningful phrase, unity in pursuit. Understanding this phrase not only enriches your vocabulary but also offers a valuable life lesson. So, let's explore what it means and how it can be applied in our lives. The phrase, unity in pursuit, is made up of two key words, unity and pursuit. Unity refers to the state of being united or joined as a whole, especially among individuals with a common interest. Pursuit, on the other hand, means the action of following or seeking to achieve something, like a goal or a dream. When combined, unity in pursuit embodies the idea of individuals coming together, with their efforts aligned towards achieving a common goal. It emphasizes the power of collaboration and teamwork, suggesting that collective efforts can lead to greater success than working alone. Unity in pursuit is crucial in various aspects of life, including sports teams, business projects, social movements, and even personal relationships. It teaches us several key lessons. Strength in numbers. Together, we can overcome challenges that might be insurmountable alone. Shared goals. It highlights the importance of having a shared vision to drive collective efforts. Diversity and synergy. Unity in pursuit appreciates diversity, as individuals with different skills and perspectives contribute to a common goal, creating a synergy where the whole is greater than the sum of its parts. To incorporate unity and pursuit into our lives, consider the following steps. 1. Identify a common goal. Whether it's a group project, a community initiative, or a personal relationship, define what you're collectively working towards. 2. Foster open communication. Ensure that everyone involved can share their thoughts, ideas, and concerns openly and respectfully. 3. Leverage individual strengths. Recognize and utilize the unique skills and talents of each member in the pursuit of your common goal. 4. Practice empathy and support. Be understanding and supportive of each other, especially during challenges, to maintain unity and motivation. Unity in pursuit is more than just a phrase. It's a powerful principle that, when applied, can lead to remarkable achievements and deeper connections. Whether you're working on a team project, participating in a social cause, or building relationships, remember that unity in your efforts can pave the way to success. We hope this video has inspired you to embrace the strength of coming together towards a common goal. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more insightful content. Stay united in your pursuits, and see you in the next video.